If you can't focus for more than 10 minutes, this simple website might completely change your productivity. No downloads, no signups, just one timer. Today, I'll show you how to use Pomofocus and whether it's actually worth it in 2026. Let's get into it. So first, what is Pomofocus? Pomofocus is a free online Pomodoro timer. It helps you focus by breaking your work into short sessions, usually 25 minutes of work followed by a 5-minute break. It's based on something called the Pomodoro Technique, which is designed to improve focus and reduce burnout. Now let's talk about how to actually use it. Step 1, open the website. As soon as you go to Pomofocus, you'll see a timer already set to 25 minutes. Step 2, add your tasks. You can create a simple to-do list and assign how many Pomodoros each task needs. Step 3, start the timer. Click Start and focus only on that task until the timer ends. Step 4, take a break. When the timer rings, take a short break, usually 5 minutes. Then repeat the cycle. That's literally it. Now let's talk about the best features. First, it's super simple. No login, no setup. You just open it and start working. Second, it's customizable. You can change the timer length, sounds, and even the background. Third, it tracks your progress. You can see how many sessions you completed and how productive you've been. And honestly, that's what makes it powerful. Now, let's be real. What are the downsides? First, it's very basic. There's no AI, no smart suggestions, just a timer. Second, it depends on your browser. Some users report that the timer can stop if the tab is inactive or if there are technical issues. And third, it's not for everyone. Some people feel the 25-minute system interrupts their flow instead of helping. But on the positive side, a lot of users say it actually works. It helps them stay disciplined, avoid distractions, and build a consistent work routine. So is Pomofocus worth it? Here's the honest answer. If you want a simple, free, and effective way to improve your focus, Pomofocus is one of the best tools out there. But if you're looking for advanced features or AI-powered productivity, this might feel too basic. Final verdict? Pomofocus is not fancy, but it works. And sometimes simple is exactly what you need to get things done. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and tell me in the comments which tool I should review next.